absolutely have the snow. This is right now down in the Wareham area, and you can see the snow's coming down at a pretty good clip. Every now and then you're getting into one of these bands where the intensity picks up, and it will certainly cover the road very quickly and make for some slippery travel. That is why here in southeastern Massachusetts we do have this winter weather advisory up, and it goes until midday, right around 1 o'clock this afternoon. So we got some snow for the morning commute. It is going to be slippery. You'll need some extra time. Gusty winds as well, and we're watching the high tide that's coming up later this morning for some coastal flooding. That is the concern this morning as well. And you can see the snow is really most concentrated here in easternmost Massachusetts, but very light snow, southern New Hampshire, the western half of the state as well. But every now and then you get into these more moderate areas of snow where you see the darker blue from Newburyport over to Haverhill. There's one area of moderate snow. We have another one from Worcester to Westboro over to Framingham. This extends up into Wayland, Natick area as well. And then look at this band right here. This is Plymouth down into Somerset, and you can see this extends all the way down into Rhode Island as well. This is our most intense band of snow right now, and this is putting out some pretty good snow. So it does appear we're going to see a good 2 to 4 inches of snow widespread here in southeastern Massachusetts. Some of that could extend up toward Cape Ann as well. Generally 1, 2, 3 as you get just north and west of the city of Boston, and then as you go back toward 495 and beyond, just a coating to an inch or 2. And it's a fluffier snow to the north and west where the temperatures are running only in the lower 20s. Notice Plymouth down to the Cape is closer to the freezing mark, so it's that wetter snow. Even though it's snowing harder, it gets compacted down a little bit more. But the winds are gusty down this way. We're gusting over 30, even 40 miles per hour. And this wind is coming in on the back of our storm, which is staying out to sea and really just clipping us. But it is that wind and the increased surge and surf that is causing some concerns with our tide coming up later on this morning. I think Boston north, just pockets of minor coastal flooding. But here to the south, we do have a coastal flood warning. South shore out to the Cape could see some pockets of moderate coastal flooding. So we do have that coastal Florida warning up between 8 and noon today. We're going to keep a close eye on that for you. Temperatures in the 20s now. We may struggle to about 30 this afternoon with temperatures running close to that across most of the area. And you can see on Futurecast how we do take the snow with us here for the next few hours and then slowly taper it off to the west by noontime. But it hangs on along the coast through noontime and then kicks on out this afternoon. There could be some brightening north and west of the city. Skies clear out tonight. It's going to be a cold night. We're down in the teens tonight for overnight lows, and tomorrow we should sneak up above the freezing mark. We'll get some sunshine on in. Quiet weather tomorrow, and then later Thursday into Friday. That is our next opportunity for some moisture. Initially comes in as rain with temperatures in the 40s, and then a wave on the front is going to drag in some colder air. That could flip over to some light snow Friday morning, and it turns even colder to start the weekend. All right,